7 o'clock. And we are going to drive. Pupunta kami sa Dance Company 20.
Oh my god, Ma, when you guys stay, I'm gonna try to go like close to you guys.
Yes,
so you can record
please.
me.
And
Guys, I'm so excited. It's gonna be good. I just know it. I love doing this. It's something that
may bago kayong steps.
no, that's not the one. This one is a move I learned like before. I learned it.
So, ayun, ihatid namin, and then mag-wait na lang din kami doon kasi 45 minutes lang. No, 45 minutes lang. Yeah, 45 minutes lang naman ang dance niya. And then, uwi na kami. And then, sasabay si Kuya. Yeah. Yo. Oh, of
Hi,
course.
me too.
perfume is like-
It's something I've been trying to find more. Yeah, please.
Pasamos.
Ba?
You don't wanna be smiling. I'm gonna be smiling.
Naligo ako, guys. Kasi bukas, ano ko siya, i-straight ko yung buhok ko pag pumunta ako sa work.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sad.
Now I have 8 hours from today until Friday. What the heck?
Huh?
Work. What are you looking for? Something that you do. Then. Itapon natin to kasi ano na to. Ba? Slick. As I told you there, isn't it? I told you there. Slick, Minado. Slick.
Yeah.
There. What kind of slick?
Är det där hen? Något start här.
I have told you yesterday, Mons, that I place it there. Tapon natin. Ito lang. Tapon natin. Eso siya skala din eh. Hindi mayas kal, excuse me. Oh, I have the key here. Can you say something?
Of course, I'm getting my pimples back. My God. Why is the camera like that?
Nalak yung car ko. Saglit. Ilak ko na yung car ko.
I don't know what to say, you guys.
Di ilan yung gal. Yeah.
Ma, I haven't said anything.
Ikaw ko busy. Ikaw pindat mo.
Check. Guys, I want to go now. Ma, I'm too excited. Come on. Är det slick? Jag ska ha slick.
Morning.
Ja, jag ska hem nu.
Jag ska ha någon solin. Har du en solslick?
Alis na kami, guys. Ang dami pang advertisement.
Yup, that's enough.
So guys, while waiting kami kay Ina, pumunta kami dito sa McDonald's kasi sabi ni Mr. malamig daw doon. Kaya nagpainit kami dito sa loob. Pero nag-order kami.
May sauce ah.
Ha? You know, sauce. Kasi ketchup pinili. Ito.
Gusto niyo ketchup? Yung chili, maili.
And guys,
Good.
katapos lang namin kumain sa McDonald's. Ngayon, babalik na kami doon kay Ina kasi magpapabidyo yun siya. So, meron pa kaming, may 15 minutes pa naman siya doon. Lamig talaga. Lamig na. Kasi masyado kang ano, sing sarili. Maganda.
Ha?
Hindi ko matanda ito ba nga?
No? And we are home na guys. We are home na.
Kita ko ang ano, na-post ko rin.
Alin? TikTok? The same? Same lang lahat. Kasi ayoko na another edit na iba pa. Tatlong, platform. Same video. So, yun guys. Yeah, we are here na. So, ready na tayo to sleep. Time check is 8.
Wow, toothbrush.
40. Yeah, mag-toothbrush ako. Pero, bihas na ako. Nakapantulog ako. Naka-jacket ako. Pantulog.